My name is Jacob Works, and I play on the men's basketball team. I started playing probably as early as I can remember. My dad was the one who got me into it. He used to coach high school basketball in Syracuse for about 20 years. Had me play every day since I could like imagine. Like, it's crazy. He is the one who got me to love it. He's the one who made me this good. That aspect of it, I just thank him for that. Being a student athlete at SUNY Morrisville has changed me for the better. I would not have even seen myself as a leader or in any way when I first got here, and yet I feel that in the classroom and on the court. I want to go into sports journalism. That's always been a part of sports that has intrigued me. I've always been a writer. The whole experience has just given me a new light on life and how I see it. I mentioned my dad. My dad is not here anymore. So it's really just my mom, my sister at home, and then all these guys that I've met here. These guys are my best friends. They're really my family. They support me through everything. I can't thank them enough. I would say my favorite part of being a student athlete here at SUNY Morrisville is the community. With such a small group, it creates more one-on-one connections with professors, with students, with people around campus, and just makes the experience closer and more personable. I always take a lot of time during the day. Whenever I have a huge block of space, I always am one to go to the library. I cannot do work in my dorm at all. It's a quiet place. It helps me focus a lot. Some goals I hope to achieve through my time here. I want to stay on the dean's list. I've been on it every year. My mom's been a big help to me academically. She's always make sure I'm focused, calls me all the time to make sure I'm doing my schoolwork. And then I also just want to keep being a help to this team. I want us to win a championship this year. I think we can do it. I think we have the guys to do it. We're a really close-knit group, so I don't think we never really had to work on the chemistry part. So our success is going to go as far as we want to take it.